Welcome back to my kitchen. This is Gucci's kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. Today I curate for this native jollof rice. You know, the oil native jollof rice, and I added some beans. Like, this came out so delicious. Look at that. Well cooked. I used basmati rice for this recipe. Without further ado, let's get right into the business. I just love the color of these tomatoes from my garden. It's giving, right? Let's do this. I've chopped all my tomatoes and my onion, and I went to my garden to get this. This is my basil, guys. This basil, oh my goodness, this basil is such an incredible one. It smells divine right now, and you can imagine what flavor it's going to give to my oil jollof rice, peppered oil jollof rice. Like, yeah, I'll show you little things here and there. My rice, I added some beans, so I'm just going to add my oil, crayfish, my chopped onion, tomatoes, and yeah, add my basil. You can add any vegetables of your choice, trust me, it's still going to come out delicious. This is what we are craving for, and trust me guys, it's going to come out delicious. Stay tuned, guys. Let's get everything in, guys. Let's get everything in. So I'm going to go in with my oil, guys. This is a very quick and easy recipe. Trust me, you will enjoy it. I don't want too much. You can add to your preference. At this time, I've added my beans and my rice, and my beans was properly cooked. Okay? I'm going to go in with my crayfish. This crayfish has prawn. As a matter of fact, it is all prawn. My friend bought this from Nigeria recently. I'm going to go in with my blend. I have peppers here. I have onion, garlic, ginger, and I have some turmeric also. My rice was almost cooked, okay? I have my chicken broth in here already. Just go ahead and prep all your food ahead of time. This recipe is faster when you have prepped all your items. So let's add our onion and all our tomatoes, okay? All of these are from my garden. Like, guys, I am so privileged. I am so privileged, trust me. My garden is doing great. And here is our vegetables. Look at that. Oh, guys. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at that, delicious. Oh wow. Can your oil jollof ever? Can your oil jollof ever? Can your oil jollof ever? Guys, this is so yum, guys. I'm going to give it a mix, and then I'll cover it up so that it will cook nicely. Give it about 25 minutes. Guys, let's check our rice. I covered it with parchment paper so it can cook well. Concussion rice don't take time to cook. All you need to do is to prep your items. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is so good. I'll transfer it into the pan, guys, so it can be cooling down. It came out very well. It came out so good. Very delicious, guys. Look at that. Well cooked. I used basmati rice for this recipe. I have several of these on my channel. This is just delicious native jollof rice and beans. Look at all that tomatoes, onion, the vegetables. We are going to be enjoying this with some chicken. I already grilled the chicken, which I'm going to show you. My cherry tomatoes from my garden has different colors. Look at it. Has different colors. Like, it has like yellow, orange, red, green. It's so beautiful, guys. It tastes so fantastic in this native jollof rice and beans. I love when I can see tomatoes, onion, and all those peppers in my rice. Let me know what you think. Please share this video to your friends and family. Thank you. What do you think, guys? You guys, this smoky part is the best for me. And here it is. I'm going to be enjoying this. This is for me. All these plates I'm taking to work. Oh Lord, their rice is so good, guys. Look at. It's so good. One more plate. This is the tray of the rice. This is so good. Look at. I'll show you the chicken that we're going to be eating this with. This is the chicken. This is the chicken, guys. Isn't this beautiful? This was the first thing I actually did because I didn't want this video to be a very long one. So I allowed it to cool down properly in the oven because I'll be leaving for work any moment from now. So these are all I did. Guys, I needed to just get this all done. Yeah, so I can be sure we have something in the house. There's bread, there's rice, there's chicken, there's salad. This is so good. Just prep your stuffs and keep at home. Yeah, this chicken came out so delicious. Guys, I hope you're going to do this for your family. Here it is. If you think I was very fast about everything, drop your comments on that comment section and give this video a like. That rice is good. Ooh, I like it. I love it. That rice is good, guys. Look at. It's looking like wachi. But honestly, this is Nigerian wachi. Oil rice and beans. It's so good. Concussion rice. Look at how beautiful. Look at. This one is for me going to work. I'm going to package my chicken. And I'm going to share because, you know, Gucci's love to share. I hope you guys have had a beautiful moment with Gucci's Kitchen. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Share to your family, friends, and loved ones. Like and please subscribe if you haven't done so. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao.